Hi guys, this is Ralph and welcome back. Today we'll be unboxing this Redmi Note 10 Pro, the Mi Fan Festival Edition, and probably one of the best phones this year. So let's try to unbox it. So once we open the box here, what we have will be the Mi Fan Festival stickers. So if you're a fan of Redmi or Xiaomi, so you'll be happy with this additional stickers like what Apple does. And with this orange box, let's try to open this up. And what we have here is a SIM ejector and some Redmi paperworks, and probably the warranty cards for your new Redmi Note 10 Pro, and also a free casing here. So that's a good thing because especially some other mobile companies doesn't give any other accessories anymore. So it's a good thing that Redmi or Xiaomi is still giving it. So here is the Redmi Note 10 Pro. So let's try to remove it from the box. So first impression here, it's very beautiful, especially with the bronze color. It feels like it's very well built, and also it looks like a flagship level phone, to be honest. So let's remove the plastic, and I think this is one of the best design here for a mid-range phone. So I was able to power up this Redmi Note 10 Pro, and while waiting here, let's try to check some accessories here. So we also have included on the box would be its power brick, which is around 33 watts for fast charging. So it's a big power brick, and definitely it will have much faster charging with this 33 watt. It also included is USB-C to USB-A cable. So those are the accessories you will see on the box. And let's try to set up this Redmi Note 10 Pro. And what I really like would be its display. It really impresses me here. So it has this beautiful 6.67 inch AMOLED screen with 120Hz HDR10 and up to 1200 nits of brightness. So it's really bright, and it's protected as well by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. So this device is definitely good for watching Netflix, YouTube, and other medias as well. And the other thing here is that it has added protection for IP53 for splash proof and dust resistance. So first impression here for the performance, it is fast and fluid. So it is powered by Snapdragon 732G with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. So it is powered also with a 120Hz panel here. So switching from app to apps, going to settings is really great here and fast. Although I'll be trying to test it more on my next review. So take a look here more on the stickers here. That's included the Mi Fan Festival, which is inspired pretty by astronauts. So here is the back of the Redmi Note 10 Pro with the bronze color, and it really looks beautiful and gorgeous, even though with this camera bump. And the quality build here is really superb for this price. And it has also this 108 megapixel camera that I'm really looking forward to testing on my next review. So that is my unboxing and my first impression for this Redmi Note 10 Pro. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon. Peace out.